Hello guys, you're welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing us how to create a Facebook page. Alright, remember a Facebook page is different from your normal Facebook account. A Facebook page is a page for you for running of business. It's also called a business page or a Facebook fan page, either of this. Alright, so I'll be showing you how you can create the page. Right before now, you can easily go to your Facebook page and you just create your Facebook page without any issues. But recently, Facebook have upgrade our system to a point whereby when you try to create a Facebook page, you'll be hearing error message like you have created so many pages, there's an error trying to create a page, all of that issue. And that has prevented so many persons from creating a page. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create the right way you can create a Facebook page. Okay, so if today is the first time of coming to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Alright, so that you can get updates on our subsequent video. Without wasting much time, let me just take you through. So if you come to your Facebook account, you want to log into your Facebook account, you have either it appears here or you come to this menu. I see menu here. Once you click on it, you select page. This is pages. Alright, since it's showing here, I'll just click on it. I'll put it in the new tab. Alright, so this is the page. So once you want to create a page, once you open it up like this, you can see where it says create a new page. I click on it. Then you put the name of the page you want to create. The name of the page, you put it there. You can see you have to put the name of the page. Let me show you. Just let's say for instance, I want to show okay, I say digitals concept. Alright, so I say this is the name of the page. Then I select the category. I can say internet. I can say internet marketing company. Alright, then I'll click on create page. Click on what's going on here. Okay, cancel. Can you see what it says now? Can you see what it says? It says you have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. This is the error that always occurs when you try to create a Facebook page like this. So there is a way to go about it. I'll just take you through. For you to create a Facebook page, come over to your Chrome, open your Chrome browser and search for Chrome Web Store. Search for Chrome Web Store. This Chrome Web Store. All right. Go to your Chrome Web Store. Once you come to your Chrome Web Store, then search for WinScribe. WinScribe. You can see it as WinScribe is a VPN that enables you to get free VPN. You can see that now. WinScribe. You can say WinScribe free. No, better still, if you can't find it there, just go to your type WinScribe extension. You can just type it there. WinScribe extension. Alright, you can see now this is the WinScribe. Just type it on Chrome, WinScribe extension, then click on it. Okay. Once you click on it, you can see this is the WinScribe extension. Alright, add it to your Chrome. Once you see it like this, add it to your Chrome. Right, already okay. Let me just remove mine and do it again. Let me remove mine. I already have it before, but let me just remove mine for the sake of this training. Okay, now can you see that? So once you search for it on once you search for it on Google, you can see where it says add to Chrome. I will add to Chrome now. Click on it, add to Chrome. I say add extension. All right, so this is what you do. Click on add to Chrome. See it's downloading. Right, the moment it's done downloading, all right, it's checking. Okay, good. So just give it some minutes. Everything will just work out perfectly. All right, so it's still checking. So the moment this is done, you can turn it on your system. All right, and register if you have not registered before. Okay, so you can see that it has been added. Click on this. You can see this in there, pin it. Sorry. Once you pin it here, you can see it now. So it will start showing here. You can see it there. So the moment you do that, click on it. If you have not registered, you click on get started. Right? Click on get started. It's free. Just work with the free. The free one will give you what you need. Don't need to pay for anything. All right. So the free one, like I said, once you click on get started, the free one will give you what you need. So already I have an account. I will just log into my account. Now log into my account. Sorry. So I'll click on login. All right. Skip tutorial. You can see I already logged in. All right, so you can see I've logged into the account now. Once the moment you log in, it will be showing green like this. So click on it. All right, so I'll click on it. Then this is where you select your location. So I'll just click on this. Then most of the time, just select USA Central. Then click on it, and you can select Atlanta Mountain. Okay, select Atlanta Mountain. You just pick that location, and everything is good. So you go back again. This is where I've created my page before. You can see it now. Then you come down, put the name, you can see the name there. Then this is it. Then you click on, remember this is on now, before it was not on. So now that it's on, I'll just click on it and my page will be created. You can see that I've created my page. You can see those page was created. You can see that now. So once I'm done creating, I'll just put in my website if I have it. If I don't have, put my phone number. I also have the phone number. Just set it up. Let me just take you through. So since the page has been created, so I'll come here now. I can just use this digitals. I say digital concepts.com.ng. All right, so I'll put it there. Then I'll come over to this place, phone number that I'll put there. Just put 234 Nigeria. Then put your phone number. I just put it. All right, so where is it? Okay, so I'll just put that. Then I'll put email address if I have. Then I can say my location is Lagos, or better still, just say Benin, or you can say Selu, then city Benin. All right, sorry, Benin. You can say Benin, Nigeria. Postcode, I can just say, okay, that's my postcode. Always open. All right, so once your page is created, these are the things you'll be doing thereafter. Remember I told you how you, so the next thing is for me to put picture. All right, you can download your picture and you put there. If you don't have the picture now, you can just next, you can just skip all this step, skip. Then if you want to invite friends, you can invite friends. All right, so if that, I'll just click on next and I'll click on done. Okay, once you do this now, once you do this, all right, so you can see the page has been created. All right, not now, say not now. So you can see that now. Then the next thing is you can see the page, it says page health fair, because I have not added the banner and the picture. All right, this picture that is showing here. So once you do that, all of these things, then you create your first post. If you want to link it, you link. If you don't want to link, you can leave it. All right, that is how you can create your Facebook page. So the next time you're trying to create a Facebook page, you're having issues, just follow this process and you have a good Facebook created. Thank you guys for staying. Hope you got value for this particular. Just give this video a thumb up and stay updated. All right, see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day.